Hey everyone, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and today we're going to talk about the South College Doctor of Business Administration review. Now this is I've almost lost count, I think 10th or 11th review video, maybe 12th, not really sure, don't hold me to it. I'm going to find out after the video is done. But the big thing is, I am now in 7110, so I only have just a couple of classes left after this one. Now I had 7100 before this, and I had I think 2 or 3 review videos just about that, and I talked about some of the contextual importance of that course, of what it teaches. This course 7110 is executive leadership, which really what we're learning about in this course is how to make decisions, what is the overall arching effect of those decisions that you're going to make, and then really do critical thinking activities. Now here's something that you just need to know. Starting at 7100, and it is continuing very strongly in 7110, the assignments are much more intense, and they're much greater as well. And what do I mean by that is, we only had about 12 assignments per class before, and in 7100 I believe I had right around 18 to 20 assignments. And in this course 7110 we have that amount plus a little bit more. And the reason why I say a little bit more is because whenever you do the assignments, whether they're 2 pages or 5 pages or 10 pages, whenever you write them, that's under APA 7 format. Here's the deal. My second summative was 22 pages long. Now that's competency 2 second summative. Yeah, 22 pages. Now, should I have done 22 pages? I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not sure. I knew what I was trying to do, and under the format that I was trying to do, it made sense, and it was really a leadership framework was the assignment. And this is the critical thinking activity, is what makes sense to you. No, I didn't have, I had some 10 pagers, but this was 22 pages. Now, for some of you out there in internet land, you're going to say 22 pages is not a lot. Well, it is to me. I mean, writing 22 pages for just a basic assignment is a lot. Now, whenever we get into some of the other summatives, they're really important. And this particular class really does a lot for you in terms of building what makes a profound difference within an organization. However, taking a critical look at each assignment. So if we have 18 assignments and you have to make sure that each assignment, I mean, you're going to be looking at 5 to 10 pages. It's a lot of writing. Now, if you don't know me, I have 8 children. I have a full-time career. I went to trade school. Then I did some certificate programs at colleges. Went to trade school 3 times actually, and then I decided it was time to get a little more involved, and I went and got a bachelor's and master's, and now finishing a doctorate. Let me just say a couple things. This is the most intense program I've been a part of, and as it should be, it's a doctorate program. And the instructors, they haven't been static. I've had a few good instructors that stayed for the entire duration of a class, but I think I've had either equal or more amounts where the instructor has changed during the actual course, and I can't tell if that's by design. So it's a multi-point perspective under the ideal of what makes sense for this student, but it's getting more intense. I'm still enjoying the process, but I do my work between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. now, because it can't flow over and disrupt my family. My family comes first, actually God, family, and I'm trying to build myself up to provide for my family better. So I have a lot of motivation here. anyways, that's all I got. We're just we're struggling through. We're going to make it. I'm enjoying the process, and you know, the thing is, just enjoy the process. Enjoy the struggle. Find the joy in the struggle. Find the light at the end of the tunnel, and continue down the light, because I can see light at the end of the tunnel, and other students are saying the same thing. And until next time, my name is Brent. This has been the review of the Doctor of Business Administration at South College. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.